Okay, this is a quick video about how to use a simple thumb drive to transfer files from one computer to the next. First step is just to take this and plug it into the side of your computer. On my computer it's right on the side here. Other computers it might be in the back. I figured this would be easier than a written document because you could just put it up on YouTube and look at it actually as you go to transfer files. So once the thumb drive is in the computer, go to My Computer, double click on it and it will open. I'm just going to make this a little bit narrower. And you'll see in the middle, Removable Disk E. If we double click on that, it opens up and we'll see it's empty. So this is where we can put the files from the old computer before we move them into the new computer. To simulate this all on one computer, I've set up a file over here called Old Computer Example and a file over here called New Computer Example, and we'll pretend these are the two different computers. So let's open this one, and let's say that in your old computer you had a couple of folders: Finances, Home, Other, and Real Estate. If you click on this button here called Folders, it will expand those folders and show you over here. Because under Real Estate, you might, for example, have subfolders: Commercial, Residential, and potentially under each of those, you might have a bunch of your client names or what have you. What we're going to do is transfer all of these files over to this thumb drive so that it keeps this whole file folder structure. So we can either grab it from here or grab it from over here. So if we grab this whole Real Estate folder, click it, hold it, drag it over to the thumb drive area, and just let go of the click, and it will copy over. Now again, the important part is this keeps all the subfolders together. So under Real Estate, we still have Commercial and Residential. If we click this Folders button, we'll also see that under each of those folders we have all the client names, and under those folders could potentially be all of the actual documents. So now this is all stored on the thumb drive. If we wanted to bring over the other folders, let's say Finances, Home, or Other, we could hold down the Shift key and hit Home and Other, and again click and hold, drag it over to the thumb drive and let go, and now they're on the thumb drive as well. So what you would do from here is one extra step if we're going to move it to an actual different computer. Right now I could very easily just highlight all four of these, click and hold, and drag it over here to the file called New Computer. But I'm not going to do that just yet because we'll pretend we're taking the thumb drive out of this computer. Down in the lower left hand corner there should be an icon to eject the removable drive. We don't see it right now, it's hidden, so you'd need to click. Usually there's a little blue arrow like this. If you click that, it expands the icons that are below. You'll see one that has a little blue arrow. If you put your mouse over it, this box pops up: Safely Remove Hardware. If you click it once, it'll ask you to remove what? And again, we'll hit the one that says the USB drive, the USB device, and drive E. If we click that, it now says it's safe to remove the hardware. So we can pull the thumb drive out, and then this is where we would go to our new computer. We would plug it into our new computer. Again, this is still on the same one. We would hit My Computer. We would look for Removable Disk E. We double click on that and we see all the folders: Finance, Home, Other, Real Estate. It could be whatever. If we hold down the Shift key and click the last one, we'll highlight all the folders and we can bring them over to this new computer. Just click, hold, drag over to there. Once it's on the folder, let go, and it will copy them over to the new computer. So what you'd want to do on the new computer is just set up whatever folder name you want to call it, have it ready on the new computer, and now if you open it, we can even look at folders. You have finances, home, other, real estate, and again under real estate you have all your subfolders, which is where maybe all of your specific documents would reside. Once you do that, it's all on your new computer. And if you ever need to do it again, what you can do is come back to this thumb drive, highlight all of these folders, and you can right click and hit delete. This will empty out the thumb drive. So if you need to transfer more than would fit in the thumb drive the first time, you should now be good to go. You can close this, look for that green arrow, safely remove hardware, safely remove drive E, and now it's safe to remove. So your thumb drive is now empty, and you could go ahead and do that same process again from one computer to the next with transferring any files. Hope this helps.